When a hydraulic motor responds slowly, many people first saw is the motor broken? However, a slow response isn't always a problem with the motor itself. More often, it's due to issues with the system's oil flow, oil supply capacity, control signals, or pipeline design. In simple terms, there are four main reasons. First, the hydraulic oil viscosity is too high. Hydraulic oil is like the blood of the system. If the oil is too thick, the flow resistance increases, the oil flows slowly in the pipeline, and the motor starting and response time naturally slows down, especially in low temperature environment. The hydraulic oil viscosity increases significantly. In this case, you will find that the equipment is very slow when it first starts. But the situation might improve after running for a while and the oil temperature rises. Second, insufficient hydraulic pump oil flow. The speed and response speed of a hydraulic motor depend on sufficient flow. If the hydraulic pump doesn't supply enough oil, it's like the power source isn't keeping up. When the motor starts, accelerates, or the load changes, there will be a not enough oil situation. This manifests as sluggish movement, longer response time, or even failing to reach the original speed. Third, delay or unstable electrical control signals. Many hydraulic systems now work in conjunction with electronic controls. The electronic control signal acts like a command for the motor's movement. If there's a delay in signal transmission, or if the voltage is unstable, or the wiring is faulty, the command will reach the control valve or the actuator in time. The result is that you have issued the action command, but the motor reacts only slightly later. Fourth, improper piping design. Hydraulic piping is the transport channel for the hydraulic fluid. If the piping is too long, has too many bends, or the piping diameter is inappropriate, it will increase the resistance to flow. The process of fluid moving from the pump to the motor slows down, and pressure and flow might be lost. This naturally affects the motor's response speed. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more hydraulic knowledge. Thank you. See you next time.